enhance the spirit of man. That the truck that can't hurt me. Just the thought of dying alone that really irks me. You ain't worthy to speak thoughts of cheap talk. Be smart and stop trying to walk how G's walk before we spark. Hug the floor while we playing tug of war with your life. Fuck a tour on the mic, I'd rather fuck a war with a knife. Deliver that shit that coroner's life. You hype popping shit in broad daylight, nigga, you were born in the night. It stops.
Gators, tuck pits and cages, let loose and bit the neighbors, twist the razors. Y'all don't want war, y'all want talk. In the dark, my dogs gonna bark like hoof. This nigga, I'm a wolf. Get your whole roof, caved in like reindeer hoofs. Stomp the bullshit, the 4 times loose. The more y'all bleach, the more I move. It's Hill Street, this is hardcore blues. Put a gun to rap, checking all our moves. Or make the news, bet you all y'all move. With the Uzi pop, you better drop when the music stops.
Music has changed my life in so many ways. Brains confused and fucked since the 5th grade. LL told me to rock the bells. NWA said fuck the police. Now I'm in jail. 93 was strictly R&B. Fucked up haircut, listen to Jodeci. Michael Jackson, who gon' tell me I ain't Mike? Ass cheeks painted white, fucking Priscilla tonight. Flying down Sunset, smoking crack. Transvestite in the front, Eddie Murphy in the back. MOP had me grimy and gritty. Marilyn Manson, I dyed my hair blue and grew some titties. Chris told me to throw them balls. Now I'm in the hospital with a broken nose and a fractured elbow. Voices in my head, I'm going in shock. I'm reaching for the clock, but the music stops.
Motherfuckers say that I'm foolish. I only talk about you. Do you fool? Listen to music, or do you just skim through it? See, I'm influenced by the ghetto you ruined. The same dude you gave nothing. I made something doing what I do through and through. And I give you the news with a twist is just his ghetto point of view. The renegade, you've been afraid. I penetrate pop culture, bring them a lot closer to the block where they pop toasters and they live with their moms. Got dry posters from box bottles. These niggas crotched over. Mommy's knocked up cause she wasn't watched over. Knocked down by some clown. When child support knocked, no he's not around. Now how that sound till you jot it down. I bring it through the ghetto without riding around, hiding down, ducking straight from frustrated youth stuck in their ways. Just read a magazine that fucked up my day. How you rate music that thugs with nothing relate to it? I help them see they way through it, not you. Can't step in my pants, can't walk in my shoes. Bet everything you work, you lose your time, your shirt.
I'm in a position to talk to these kids and they listen. I ain't no politician, but I kick it with them a minute. Cause see, they call me a menace. And if the shoe fits, I wear it. But if it don't, then y'all will swallow the truth, grin and bear it. Now who's the king of these rude, ludicrous, lucrative lyrics? Who could inherit the title? Put the youth in hysterics, using his music to steer it, sharing his views and his merits. But there's a huge interference. They're saying you shouldn't hear it. Maybe it's hatred I spew. Maybe it's food for the spirit. Maybe it's beautiful music I made for you to just cherish. But I'm debated, disputed, hated, and viewed in America as a motherfucking drug addict. Like you didn't experiment. Nah. That's when you start to stare at who's in the mirror and see yourself as a kid again. And you get embarrassed, and I got nothing to do but make you look stupid as parents. You fucking do good. It's too bad you couldn't do good at marriage. And do you have any clue what I had to do to get here? I don't think you do. So stay tuned and keep your ears glued to the stereo. Cause here we go. Chicken. I'm the same Mr. Kiss my ass is just a renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to talk about anything. Renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to holler about anything. I had to hustle my back to the wall, ashy knuckles, poppin' pill with a lot of land. Not upset, got a vent, not an innocent lives lost on the project bench. What you hollering? Gotta pay rent, bring dollars in. By the bodega, iron under my coat, feeling brave. A do-rag wrapping my waist, a pockets full of hope. Do not step in me, I'm awkward. I buy lefty, or orphan. My pops left me an orphan. My mama wasn't home. Could not stress to me, I wasn't grown. Especially on nights I brought something home to quiet the stomach rumblings. My demeanor, 30 years my senior, my childhood didn't mean much. Only raising green up, raising my fingers to critics, raising my head to the sky. Big, I did it both times before I died. No lie, the snow I chose my own fate. I drove by the fork in the road and went straight. I'm a poet, cause I'm a regular Shakespeare. Jesus Christ, the king of these Latter-day Saints here. To shatter the picture in which the status they paint me as a monger of hate, Satan, a scatterbrained atheist. But that ain't the case. See, it's a matter of taste. We as the people decide shade is as bad as they say he is. Or is he the latter, a gateway to escape? Me, the scapegoat. They can be mad at today. See, it's as easy as cake. Simple as whistling Dixie. While I'm waiting on the pistol and 60 Christians against me. Go to war with the Mormons. Take a bath with the Catholics in holy water. No wonder they try to hold me under longer. I'm a motherfucking spiteful, delightful, eyeful, the new Ice Cube. Motherfuckers hate to like you. What did I do? I'm just a kid from the gutter making his butter off these bloodsuckers. Cause I'm a motherfucking renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to talk about anything. Anything. Renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to holler about anything. Anything. Renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to talk about anything. Anything. Renegade. Never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. Cause I'm a renegade. Never been afraid to holler about anything. Anything.
Hold on, over and said, won't you tell me your name?
Tell me where we at.
High, but I don't wanna hear that. See, I ain't for check before I ain't for sex. Niggas ain't for death, they try to fuck with the blessed. Ain't no fucking amateurs.
Ain't no stopping at all.
You need a sound off, maybe a
Chainsaw.
and even the death, the crack that I see you still new. Your niggas think that you
I'm so tense.
You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. It blow your mind. You can look all over, but you'll never find like mine. 'Cause I provide that. Yeah.